Hello everyone. Today in this video I am going to show you how to install Cursor AI on Windows 11. Open web browser. Go to Google. Go to Google search bar. Type Cursor AI. Press enter. Scroll down. Click on Cursor, the best way to code with AI. Click Download for Windows. Now the downloading is started. It is 179 MB setup file. Now the downloading is completed. Close web browser. Double-click on this PC. Click Downloads. Here it is Cursor setup file. Let's right-click on it. Click Open. Close Downloads. License Agreement. I accept the agreement. Click Next. Destination location leave as default. Click Next. Select Start Menu folder. Click Next. Select Additional task. Check on Create a desktop icon. Check on Add Open with Cursor action to Windows Explorer file context menu. Check on Add Open with Cursor action to Windows Explorer file directory context menu. Click Next. Click Install. Now the installation is started. You will have to wait until the installation is completed. Now the installation is completed. Click Finish. Click on Sign Up. Select an app to open this HTTP link. Microsoft Edge. If you and another web browser, you can choose it. Select Always. Click Continue to sign in. Click Continue with Google. Now I am logged in with Google. Customize your experience. Select by myself. Which role best describes you? I am choosing Educator. Click Continue. Click Skip for now. Data sharing. Click Continue. Connect GitHub to finish setup. Click Maybe later. Select I will do this later. Log in to Cursor desktop. Select Yes, log in. Go to Cursor application. Let's maximize this screen. Click on New Project. Select Up folder to create new project under this folder. Now I am going to create new folder. I am given it name called Cursor. Double-click on Cursor folder. Select Create Project here. Now the Cursor application is open. Cursor AI is an advanced code editor that uses artificial intelligence to help developers write, understand, and improve code more efficiently. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel.